This video will show you how to finalize grades for the end of the trimester if you are using the middle school report card. The middle school report card looks like this. It has a column for grades and a column for comments. So there isn't a lot you need to do to finalize for your grades. You can decide, as you look at your list of students, you can decide if you would like to change a grade. Like, for example, you might look at Carter and say, Carter has worked really hard in language arts this trimester. He's close to a B minus, so I'm going to change his grade to a B minus. Now, you know that you have changed his grade by looking at this little triangle in the corner. If at any point you want to change the grade back, you just click in his row and you click this backward arrow right here and it changes it back to a C+. Okay, now if you're ready to do comments, you click in the course grade column and then you click on the little speech bubble with the lines. You should also check on the report card expectations spreadsheet that shows what each principal in every building expects for comments. Most expect at least some comments for each student. You would also need to check what are the expectations if you have Hispanic families in your school for putting those comments in English and also putting those comments in Spanish. And the third thing you need to check is, do you have to use the canned comments, or is it all right with your principal if you make up your own comments? If you do make up your own comments, you would need to make sure that spelling and grammar is correct. Okay, so I look at my 735 comments here, and the ones that I use frequently, I have filled in the star so that they show up first on my list. And then if I want to put a comment in, I just click the plus, and that comment goes in. Now, if I want to, let's say, find the Spanish comment for shows effort, I could just put in B04 and SP or SPA, and there it is. And I want to take that one and I want to put it up here. Okay, now if you have a comment and you know that there must be an example in the canned comments, but you can't really remember what number it is, and you don't want to look at the whole list, you can just search by a keyword in there. So let's say maybe I'm the gym teacher and I want to put in something about bringing his gym clothes. Search for gym clothes, and there they are. So I'm going to click on that one. If I want to find it in Spanish, again, I'm going to put B46 SPA, and there it is in Spanish. Okay. If there's one that you know that you want to put in has to do with assignments, just put in the keyword of assignments, and there are all the comments that have the word assignment in them. So an easy way to find a comment that you don't know exactly which number it is, and you don't want to look through 735 comments. Okay, the last thing you need to do then is you need to save so that the report cards are ready to print. And that's it.